Currently on my way to meet up with Dalton. They just got into town yesterday, or this morning actually, around 8 o'clock. It is currently 2 o'clock. We're about to meet up to eat lunch. I'm trying to pay attention to my tires and see if it's louder or what. But I just realized that with my last truck, with my LLY, that thing, exhaust, was just so loud that I couldn't really hear my tires. But with this LML, it's just all, like, the truck in general is more quiet. So I'm noticing the tire noise, but I couldn't tell you if it's louder than my Coopers. I feel like they are slightly louder than my Coopers. I can't say for 100% if they are. And another thing is, so far, they're pretty smooth. I mean, yeah, of course, they're brand new tires, but they're pretty smooth. As far as, like, you know, bouncing, you know, to me, in my opinion, they ride better than the Cooper SCT Pros. But we'll see. Like, the Coopers, they last forever. I had them for a year and they still look brand new. I have a feeling these aren't going to be the same. I feel like these are going to show us, I feel like these are going to start showing wear around 6 months. Yeah, well, we're going to have to wait. I don't even know if I'm going to keep this set for 6 months. So, all right. Who's ready to see his truck? It's about to pull up right now. Let's get it. Let's go. What's up, bro?
Am I in the right spot?
Yeah.
We made it.
You're good.
There we go, man.
How's the drive?
It's very tiring.
Tiring?
Dude, I wanted to sleep while I was driving yesterday. But...
What's up?
Like 8 years.
There's Matthew over there.
Real.
That's a tight turn. I don't know if he's gonna make it.
You just see him fly off into the bush.
Oh, there he is.
Turbo.
I know, right? That's a long truck.
Tires.
Same tires?
Well, wheel size, I guess.
What's up, Matthew?
What's going on?
How was the drive?
Long.
What's up? Oh, damn. You have it.
On my clicker, I found every bug on the way here.
Yeah? Nice.
Somehow.
Located them.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't find any.
Yeah.
I guess they all went to him.
Yeah.
Dude, they're just white.
Where are you coming from?
Tallahassee.
Huh.
Damn, really?
Yeah, we're from Panama City, so.
I stopped one time and then I come out. I just swarms of bugs.
They're just blended in with the black.
Get away from the white.
Touched it up.
Just paint over them.
Damn.
All right, well, let's go eat.
I like the new wheels and tires, to be honest.
Me too.
It's a long truck.
Dude,
I
that's a
know.
train.
Land yacht.
I have to
That's
drive
a
it every
big
day.
truck.
How is it in Tallahassee with that thing? 'Cause that's-
Fine. Tallahassee's
Really?
easy.
Yeah.
There's like a couple roads in mid-college town that I'm like, ugh. People like, do a turn up there. I'm like, no. We'll
Go
go.
roundabout, you just waiting for the cars to clear and
Yeah.
go to the side.
People like, do a U-turn. I'm like, where?
What's a U-turn?
I'm like, there's a 4-lane up there. We can do that one.
All right. Let's take a look. What am I looking at?
Oh, here's your truck.
So,
Oh, this, yeah.
Alright. It's a big tip.
That's what she said.
Those bed lights I got are sick. Have you seen those
The
things?
bed lights? How's it going?
Hold it.
Yeah, hold it.
Oh, whoa, that's sweet.
Yeah.
yeah, Nissan over there. He's heading trade straight up.
You don't want to beat that.
Hold it like flat.
Look at this.
Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah,
You gotta do it for that.
Good for Dale. Kenneth, who cares? Bring your truck to the meet. It's called a meet, not a truck show.
I'm getting a Honda Civic. There's big loud exhaust on it.
Please don't.
Yeah.
All right.
The Hyundai.
Oh, a Hyundai.
The Hyundai.
Just chilling at the car wash. We all had to wash our vehicles a little bit. Caught Kenneth using the brush.
Shit happens. The bad thing is, every last Sunday morning, that's going right back through the mud and go to the hot
Probably. Dalton's truck, dude. Your truck barely fits under. Dude, we should have the meet here tomorrow. Right?
Hey, we beat the rain, we're good. First come, first serve.
Matthew's truck. My truck. Looks tiny compared to his. You haven't met up with Mike since you wrapped it, right? You haven't met up with Mike since you wrapped your truck.
No, it's been over a year. It's been like, I mean, it's been like over a year, 2 months since I've been here.
Well, I think your truck looks better than Mike's, even though you copied it.
Yeah, I mean, I designed mine after his, but I beat him at his own game.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
What's the definition of flattery?
Imitation.
Yeah, like I decided just to, you know, copy him and get it all before him.
Sure. Alright guys, what do you guys think? Dalton's truck or Street Speed's truck? Comment below. Yeah, but the whole squad is here tonight, getting ready for the meet. Classic. Oh yeah. Shake that booty.
Shake that booty, go ahead, shake that booty now.
Alright, I'm not sure if you guys can hear Matthew's truck. Can you guys hear that? I hope the camera can pick it up, but God, that turbo is just so loud. Makes me miss my old LOI with that turbo spool. But just listen. Listen for it. Not that. Woo! Smash the smash the thumbs up for that. Woo! We're about to go under a bridge, so I'm pretty sure he's gonna send it. I mean, that's what I used to do with my LOI. Can't do much with this. Anthem is so fun just listening to that turbo. You like the trucks? You like the trucks, Kenneth? Can barely see.
About to hate me.
You know what they called you? They called you Gaster Kenneth. I'm just kidding.
Yeah,
Matthew, we're gonna get a ticket for a train horn.
Send it.
Send it?
Send it.
Send it your way?
we aren't getting a ticket.
I'm gonna be like,
He will get a
I'm gonna
ticket.
be like, it was a red truck.
I'm gonna be
Red
like,
truck.
officer, it was a white truck, obviously.
I'll be like, I don't have no such thing. I have a switch. You won't even. I'll be like, click. Don't have it.
My
Yeah,
horn don't
same.
work. It's broke completely.
We're downtown Augusta with Mr. TM Creations.
What's up, guys?
I don't even know if they can see you.
Dang.
Now they
Set
can.
up
Yeah, they
one
can.
for my truck.
Look at that, professional photo shoot. It sucks it's gonna rain tomorrow.
It says not until like late, but
Really?
yeah.
Oh gosh, what the heck?
How's it going?
Oh my gosh. How's it going?
Wonderful. It's dark. Yours this one's clear.
What? Let me see. What, that's your stripper pole right there?
That has been rated.
Yeah, it's got the hanger at the top.
Oh, right.
I get on it. It's ready.
I expect.
Oh, yeah, do it.
Flip.
I'm
Put
not
on the
that
show.
acrobatic.
All right, well, Lance is getting ready.
To come down here?
I guess.
That
With what?
was
His
that
lifted
pavilion?
one or lower?
The convention center.
Did you see the convention center pavilion? How cool it would have been to pull in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we'll get tickets in there.
You think so?
If we're in there,
They
for
run us
about-
out of the sun trust.
I mean, if we're only in there for
Parking
like
deck all
2.5
the time, and it's
minutes.
closed.
I'd have been like, we're only here for like 2 minutes.
That's what the tickets are. That's all.
150 trespassing.
Is it technically parking if you don't put the truck in park?
They're not even gonna ask you to move. Just
Yo, Street Speed is here.
Hey, another one with cab lights.
There's dual streets.
Dude, there's another Street Speed out here.
Yeah. There's only room
I gotta
for
see
one
the
of us.
rims. I gotta see how good they.
I guess you gotta kill him. Alright. Did you just fart?
Huh?
Did you just fart?
Oh, I cough.
I swear you farted and coughed at the same time.
No.
No?
You record?
I'm recording. What's up, buddy?
Dude, you can't even tell.
What?
You can't even tell.
They scratched them again whenever they put the tires on.
Oh no.
Specialties. Let's show everybody.
That's a what? 26? Yeah. By the way, you're being recorded. YouTube. I know.
It is the D-Day. Today is the Augusta Truck Meet. It is raining as expected. We're still gonna have fun. The rain's not gonna stop us from having fun and talking about trucks. Just trying to get some last minute stuff done. Gosh, I'm just running around like a chicken with the head cut off. So if you guys are at the meet and you guys see me, I'm sorry, like if I don't get to talk to everybody. I'm gonna try my best. Just giving you guys heads up now. You'll probably see this after the meet, but man, if you're like, why is he acting like a crazy person? Now you know. I'm just trying to get everything done. I'm gonna try to do my best to talk to every single one of you guys. But yeah, if you see me just running around, look a little stressed, you know why. But yeah, just right now we're headed over to Walmart, or we gotta go to Kroger because Matthew needs to fill up. And then we're headed over to Walmart and gotta get some stuff sorted out, and gotta buy some few other stuff. I totally forgot what I needed to get, so that's what I mean by, you know, just my mind is just all over the place right now. So yeah, I need to get a table. It's raining, but at least it's like nice kind of rainy weather, if that makes any sense. We're at the fuel station, as people from England would say, petrol station. Gotta fuel up the Duramax for the Augusta Truck Meet. I'm just kidding, I'm local, so I don't have to fill up. But actually, I do have to fill up because I have to drive to the airport here, which is about 40 minutes away, because I gotta pick up Mr. Anthem. And what I mean by that is, I gotta go pick up Dave, the man, the myth, the legend behind Anthem Wheels Instagram page. He's actually flying down here for the meet. So how cool is that? You know? Not a lot of wheel companies would be willing to work with you like this. So that's one of the reasons why I will stick with Anthem. We gotta go pick him up. Matthew, he has to fuel up because, well, he drove from Tallahassee. And let's see. Hello, Matthew.
What's going on?
Filling up your truck?
Yes.
Oh wow, super exposed. There you go. Hello, Matthew.
What's going on?
Filling up your truck?
Something like that.
You know how to work this? Have you ever been to a gas station before, sir?
Apparently not.
Have you ever filled up?
There's no debit option. I guess this is it. Oh no?
Did you slide your card in already?
Yeah.
Slide your... You want to use... Yes, here.
I hate this thing.
There you go.
Yep.
Wow.
You get me.
Is this rocket fuel?
Yes, it is. Too early for all this. I'm gonna put some 93 in.
Dude, 87.
That's the best diesel.
That's the best one, yep. Hey, look who's here.
Yep, in this cold. It's actually nice up here in Augusta.
It's not too bad. Let's check out who's here. Oh, look at this truck.
What the fuck?
You're wearing shorts.
Can you tell I'm from Florida?
What's up, buddy?
Yeah.
How's it going?
What's
Good
up,
to meet you.
Alex?
How's it going? Good to see you again. Oh my God.
Yes, it's Mr. That Wide Bow Tie.
Follow me on Instagram. I need to change pants.
How's the drive?
Long.
Oh, the drive? Rainy. Almost got pulled over.
For what?
Me and this Jeep, this Jeep, black Jeep was just following me for like a long time. And finally they kept turning behind me. I was playing a little game with them. And we came around this corner and went down this hill. And this cop was sitting right at the end of the hill, speeding like crazy. And the cop just flashed his lights real quick and slowed down, and that was it.
That was it, no more.
That was it.
Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the truck later because it's raining right now. Alright, so this is the first time I'm taking the ferry off-road on the highway. We're going about 75 right now. It does hum. I feel like it hums a little bit louder than the Cooper STT Pros. But then again, at the same time, with my last truck, all I heard at 75 was a lot of so it's not really of a fair comparison, but it's not bad. I'll tell you that right now. The road noise is not bad at all. And for 35s, you know, you could buy them for about $1,300 online. So it's not a bad option. I just want to see how long these will last. I don't know, like, there's really not too many reviews out there to you know, tell you how long these will last. So you know, like I said, with Coopers, they lasted me a while, then they wore great, and I'm wondering if these are the same way or if these are going to be crappy because, well, it is cheaper. So we'll see. Matthew and I just arrived at the airport to pick up the man, the myth, the legend, Dave from Anthem Wheels. We got here right on time. He said he just landed. Jinx.
Dang. I got no soda.
You're gonna park up there.
No, it's fine. Don't look like him.
Is that it?
No, that looks like him.
Oh. We'll park right here.
Like, we're right out front of the door. Come on.
You don't see my truck. And I gotta change out the battery.
What's up, fellas?
What's
What's
up?
going on?
Thanks for picking me up.
Oh, you're welcome.
No problem.
Is this the right Uber?
Is this the right Uber?
Sorry for
This is how I ordered,
sorry
man.
for
The biggest Uber they had.
Nice.
Sorry for having to put you in the back seat.
No, no worries, brother.
All right, let's go.
Team Platinum?
That's
The
another.
remote.
How wide are his? How wide is this truck?
For the tow truck.
That wide.
Not wide.
That wide.
Yeah.
Maybe wide.
It's that wide.
Is that
How
wide.
wide?
That.
That's wide.
Actually gonna have
That wide. It's just that wide.
That wide.
It's just that wide.
Not that wide.
That wide?
That wide.
About this much.
This much?
That wide.
About this long.
This long? Oh, we're talking about the truck now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well,
That's what she
I
said.
didn't know that. Should have planned this out.
You bought it brand new.
Brand speaking in 2018.
They knew it.
Factory hit the
All right, so we were done with the truck meet, so we're just hanging out at the cookout. We just got done eating. Just goofing around in the parking lot.
The big DSLR on it.
You got anything you want to say to your mom?
Okay, I want to.
I'm sorry I got the lip tattoo, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
You got anything?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
That's it.
You want to tell your mom how wide this is?
That wide.
That.
That wide.
That wide.
That wide. Just how wide?
That wide.
2 inches.
2 inches. We're talking about the truck here now.
Stock of Instagram.
Oh, that.
That wide.
Just that.
That wide.
But that shackle though.
Yeah, the shackle though.
But that shackle though. That shackle.
That shackle.
though.
You always have that big of a tip?
Yeah. That's what she said.
Got him.
I never heard that.
him.
Have we just started something?
But that shackle.
All 10 inches of it.
That Matthew 824.
That.
Big shack. Big tip.
Tisland diesel.
Tisland diesel. Tisland diesel.
Diesel.
I'm gonna blow my truck up.
Now you gotta put on some 54 by 34 wides.
Then you can be
That wide. Hey Kenneth, you want to tell us what you won at the raffle?
What was it? Hostile? No. Gear? No. Moto Metal? What? No. What's the other one?
American Forces. That everybody
American
likes.
Forces, yes.
Yeah, that's right. Everybody likes American Forces.
I know. What was it? Amazing, great. Anthem. An Anthem gift card.
That's right. So we've been looking at Anthem wheels for the past, what, hour?
Yeah.
Found
Been looking at it for the
somebody
last week. I guess I'm gonna make the switch to the dark side. Buy
right.
factory wheels.
Your chrome's peeling though, ain't it?
On one.
On one? Was it the other side?
Might need to send you some tires too.
That red.
Sorry, we didn't have the gift card for tires though.
I have a whole nother
These
set.
are the special gladiators, slickiators.
special edition. They're called Slickiators.
Slickiators?
Those aren't gladiators, those are Crazians.
Craziest?
And I have a whole nother set sitting in my house.
Oh yeah.
Dude, you got some fitment going on here.
That Fitment.
That positive offset.
That Fitment.
That fitment. How wide is this?
In the back, you're good to go.
That wide.
Sticks out about
That this truck hadn't even been lifted.
Sticks out
for
about the same.
a week
Yeah?
yet. This truck was lifted less than a week ago.
Do you go mudding though?
Yeah, see, it's called black spray paint. Here's the difference though. About 12 hours ago, I was actually spray painting everything black because my fender liners and everything was orange. So yes.
Rattle King.
Go look up under the exhaust. It's actually baked clay onto my exhaust.
RK Customs, Rattle Can Customs.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Hey,
Rattle
it
can
looks
Kenneth.
good. Don't it? Hey, Gasser Kenneth. Gasser Kenneth,
Make
sir.
another account.
Yeah,
another
y'all actually
account.
got me in trouble on that one. I actually had to do something about that.
Rattle can
That
Kenneth.
gas-
All K's.
Who's that? That gas?
That gasser.
That gasser.
That's the gasser though.
That ball tires.
Hey, I'm proud of my gasser. My baby.
Me too.
That's a rotary.
Oh.
Did you see Dalton's rotary swap? Rotary engine. Rotary engine.
Rotary engine.
V8 4-cylinder. Dalton's truck has 100,000 horsepower.
Yeah.
100,000?
120.
Oh, you're the Whistling Diesel guy.
Yeah.
And street speed. He's like,
And street speed.
Same time.
And JW.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah.
He runs all the
I'm
channels.
the Asian JW.
Oh, you're the 8. Oh, props to you for not seeing a race.
Yeah. I'm the overweight version of everyone.
Hold on.
Hey, next meet we do, can we pay somebody
Hey, you just gave it to me
to
that
just
one.
walk around and
Yeah.
film in case there's a fight?
Oh, sure. Everybody wear a GoPro. You have to have your own GoPro.
Watch my video.
You can't come to the truck meet unless you have a GoPro.
What?
Did you get it?
Some of it.
Some of it, World Star.
Yeah.
Yeah, go check out Dalton's video if you want to see the fight.
Yeah.
Well, actually, yeah. Yeah, the whole fight.
You don't like the whole thing.
The start to the
Hey,
end.
do you know this
That
guy?
fight.
Oh my god.
I told you. What did I tell about that?
Oh, yeah.
What's up from North Carolina?
Oh, Lord.
Yes, what an ass.
Instagram name.
It's that guy.
That is who needs to go sit on your tire for the picture. Right there. With the mask on.
Yeah, speedo with you?
Give it to me. I want to do it all day long.
Hey, I can pass the ass off to you.
Oh, let me get that ass.
Oh, no, right here.
Can I put a towel down first?
It's that wide
Can I
ass.
put a towel down first?
No.
It's that guy.
You gotta go full in.
That guy.
Go get
That
on
wide
that ass.
ass.
Got the jacket
At least give him a
on
floor
and
mat to sit
everything
on.
Oh my god.
I'm not risking my pants for this.
At least give him a floor mat to sit on.
I'll buy new pants.
Sponsorship from Wrangler on the
pants
way.
from Whistling Diesel.
Buy new jorts.
Alright, we gotta end this vlog. Somebody say cue the outro.
Cue that.
Just kidding, I don't have an outro.
There it is.